5 tips to get rid of acne. Prevention is the key, guys. If you are eating crap, if you're eating crappy food, inflammatory food, dairy, processed food, sugars, and you have acne, and then you're thinking what to use on the face, sometimes acne comes from inside. Actually, this is like 90% of the time that acne can come from inside. So prevention is number 1 key, how to avoid acne so you can avoid acne scars. Number 2, SPF is another type of prevention. If you already have acne, always wear SPF, 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 SPF. So once you're gonna get rid of acne, you're not gonna have hyper post-acne inflammatory pigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is also acne scarring that you don't want to have it, and it's hard to get rid of. Number 3, CO2 laser. It is very expensive and it's kind of like damaging your gut laser, because you have to take antibiotics because it goes really, really deep inside in your epidermis, and you have to take antibiotics if you want to use this laser to avoid inflammation. That is kind of not my favorite thing, but I don't recommend that. Number 4, stop it. Stop texting me. Stop texting me, Daryl. That's my boyfriend. Number 4, microneedling tool. It is really, really great way to get rid of acne scars. You can read a bunch of books. This is my dermaroller, real individual needle dermaroller that I do offer on my website. Read this book about holistic microneedling. How great, how beneficial it is for your skin is incredible. I do have another book over here. Lance Satterfield, you guys can see. Let me give it to you. Let me not give it, let me show it to you. Here, dermal needling, another great book about microneedling your face. You want to know how to use it, when to use it, what kind of tools. I highly recommend to use real individual needles, microneedling tools that I offer on my website. If you're interested, link is down below. And the last tip, use these 3 products. Salicylic acid is great for acne. Vitamin C, it helps with the hyperpigmentation, and retinol, it helps to rejuvenate and restore your skin cells. I also have on my website salicylic acid cleanser, which you can use 2 to 3 times a week. If you don't have sensitive skin, you can use every night. I offer also vitamin C, which is with sodium ascorbyl phosphate, very gentle bioavailable form that is super gentle, not irritating, and it's not expiring soon like L-ascorbic acid oxidizes really quickly. This one is not. And then retinol, this is organic plant-based retinol, 2.5%, which is really not strong in the organic world. So you can use this every night if you don't have sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, twice a week, and those you can alternate, one night and another night. Completely great for acne and acne scar skin. So I love you guys so much. If you have any suggestions, recommendations, and any questions, please leave me down below in the comment section. Subscribe, click the red button, subscribe if you haven't, and I see you in my next video. By the way, I have a TikTok, Janamberx. Follow me on TikTok if you want to have fun. I have kind of funny videos over there. Bye, love you. Bye.